Hey guys, it's Travis again. In this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how to change out an outlet. But I'm not going to use just any old outlet, of course not. I'm going to use one of these. This is an outlet with an integrated LED night light and ambient light sensor and adjustable brightness. Subscribe, like, and comment and tell me what you guys think.
Identify and turn off the breaker for the outlet you're working on. Working with electricity is dangerous. If you're uncomfortable doing this sort of work, call an electrician. Remove the screw in the faceplate and pull it off. Remove the screws from the outlet and pull it from the wall. The easiest thing to do is cut the wires from the old outlet. Now strip the wires about 3/4 of an inch from the end and curl them over to prepare them for the new terminals. Install the new outlet. The white wires are the neutral wires, and they go to the silver terminals. The black wires are the hot wires, and they go to the gold terminals. The bare wire is the ground wire, and it goes to the ground terminal. Now reinstall the faceplate. Pro tip, the screw should be aligned as shown. Finally, turn the breaker back on and test the outlet.
Well, I hope this video helped some of you guys out. If it did, please subscribe and like and comment and tell me what you guys think.